In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to craft potions in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You are able to make various different kinds of potions in Arcane Lineage. I'm gonna teach you how to actually do it, and I'm going to be talking about the materials necessary for some of these. So first, for you to actually craft potions, you will need a cauldron. You can find cauldrons available on the potion shop, so just go over to any potion shop and you will see them scattered all over the place. Or if you are an alchemist, you will be able to spawn on one. So once you find one cauldron available for you to use, you have to open your inventory and hold the specific ingredient that you will be using. As you can see, this character is a newbie and I don't have any items. I apologize. But if you did, you would be able to equip them here and then walk up to the cauldron and interact with the item. Now, I'm going to be talking about the potions that you can make. With one slime chunk and one average thistle, you will be able to make the small healing potion. With an average thistle and a carnus tool, you will be able to make a minor energy elixir. For an abhorrent elixir, you will need 2 average thistles and 1 Crea stem. For an alluring elixir, you need 2 average thistles and then 1 carnus tool. And then, as you can see, there are various different potions. Sadly, I won't be narrating all of them in this video, but I'm still gonna show you the ingredients that you need, and I'm gonna try to separate them so everything is accessible easily. You can find all of these ingredients by acquiring them from monsters or located scattered around the map, especially for the plants, for example the Crea stem that can be located outside of the Tundra Gate and so on, and I'm gonna show you the locations for these main ingredients on the screen. So acquire these ingredients, go over to a cauldron, hold them out in your hand, and you will be able to use the cauldron to mix the ingredients. I hope I was able to help you on how to craft potions in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.